If you work outdoors traveling, cycling, hiking, kayaking or running though, or you are just the kind of person who drops your phone every other day, this might just be your next favorite device. Hey guys, welcome back to Mr.Laowai-English Tech. Today we are taking a look at something built for the bold, the FOSSiBOT F107 Pro 5G rugged phone. Now keep in mind, this phone is currently crowdfunded on Kickstarter. So if you are interested, you can grab the early bird deal right now. Just click the first link in the description to support it on Kickstarter. Let's dive into this rugged beast and find out what makes it special or not. This is the box of FOSSiBOT F107 Pro. The box is in orange color. It looks pretty clean. The branding is on the front and some specification you can see on the back. You can pause if you wish. Okay, let's see what we have got inside the box. First, we can see we have user manual of F107 Pro. After that, you might be wondering why they have given these screws and screwdriver. They have given this because of this purpose. This is the hand strap holder. So how you can install, you have to install the screws over here and then you can use this as a hand strap. We have type C to type C cable and this is 66 watt PD type C charger. And look at this beautiful beast. The FOSSiBOT F107 Pro 5G boasts a rugged and highly functional design, purpose-built for outdoor and professional use. Well, the overall look is impressive and the camera module has a unique design. So, on the right side, the device has volume button and a combined power button with a fingerprint sensor for secure access. On left side, you will find a glare flashlight button. Press and hold it to turn on. This is 50-meter beam light. And press and hold again to turn it off. Boom. Perfect for unstoppable adventures. There's also a customized button for personalized shortcuts. I have set mine to open the camera and take photos. What cool is that this custom button can even be used while filming underwater. There's also a TF and SIM slot which supports one SIM card and expandable storage. On top, I have already mentioned we have got an intensive beam light and there's one ventilation hole that helps with heat dissipation. And another hole, of course, is for the microphone. Well, on the bottom, there is this USB Type-C charging port and a microphone. It also features NFC for payments and a loud singer speaker that delivers solid audio. Up front, we have got a 6.95 inches FHD plus 1080p by 2460 screen resolution display. Yes, the bezels are noticeable. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, adding durability against scratches and drops. But honestly, it's better than I expected. The screen is surprisingly tough. You could smash it with a brick or even try breaking something using the phone and it would probably survive. The colors are decent, brightness reaches around 600 nits, which makes it usable outdoors, and the touch response feels smooth enough. Plus, it features a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which is rare for rugged phones in this price range. Now this is where it gets interesting. The F107 Pro is powered MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. And yes, it's got 5G connectivity. I will test out it with games like PUBG Mobile to see the performance later. The F107 Pro also includes some really handy tools like a customizable side key, which I have already showed you, gloves mode, underwater camera mode. It has got cover you with IP68 and IP69K waterproof. It is really interesting because it equipped with a massive 28,000 mAh battery. The FOSSiBOT F107 Pro 5 supports 66 watt ultra fast charging and 10 watt reverse charging. It offers up to 30 days of standby time, making it perfect for camping, trekking, or extended trips off the grid. Whether you are deep in the wilderness or just away from a power source, this phone is built to keep going, ideal for long outdoor adventures where charging isn't an option. The FOSSiBOT F107 is built for serious outdoor photography, featuring a powerful 200 megapixel camera which is Samsung sensor, along with a 50 megapixel wide angle and macro lens using the Sony IMX766. This combination gives you the flexibility to frame your shots perfectly, whether you are capturing detailed close-ups or expensive landscapes. Of course, it also comes with electronic image stabilization to reduce motion blur during video recording or handheld shots. But the real highlight of this rugged phone is the Starlight Night Vision mode, which is super amazing. I tried already. I show you right now. To make this feature possible, the camera uses a 20 megapixel night vision sensor, which performs best in outdoor environments with very little ambient light. However, because of the exposure limitations, the clarity isn't extremely sharp to the human eyes, but you will almost see vague figures in very dark conditions. It's not recommended for indoor use unless there's at least some light source. That said, when you are outdoors in total darkness, like in forest or unlit areas with just a bit of sky glow, it's seriously cool. Unlike physical light vision that only shows black and white visuals, this Starlight Night Vision captures color footage even in low light environments. That's what sets it apart. Real-time color night vision in the wild. I'm recording this video from the front camera of FOSSiBOT F107 Pro. This is the result you can get from the front camera, looking very nice. I'm filming it at 1080p. It doesn't have 4K from the front camera, but 1080p looks pretty nice. It's not shaking at all. I have turned on already EIS, that is electronic stabilization. I have already turned on, and while video recording you can zoom in. So this is 1x. If you want to zoom in, then no, you cannot zoom in. Wait a second. Yes, you can zoom in. Sorry, I was just holding the screen. This is 3x, this is 4x. Wow. 3x, 2x, and this is 1x from the front camera. Alright guys, you can see the result from the back camera of FOSSiBOT F107 Pro. Looking pretty nice. So I have already turned on the EIS electronic stabilization. The weather is very dull. Let's zoom. Let's check it out. The zoom capability. This is 2x, 3x, and 4x. Let's try out again from this angle. This is 1x, then 2x, 3x, and 4x times it can be zoomed. Let's check it out. Running result. Not bad.
Victory belongs to us.
So what do you think about this rugged phone for just $399? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We would love to hear from you, and it will be helpful to others. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. I appreciate the support, and I will see you in the next one.